Nebius AI is one of the latest AI tools making waves in the industry, and today I'm going to break down everything you need to know before you dive in. If you're curious about this new software, stick around, because we'll cover the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to understand about Nebius AI before you start using it. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know whether this is the right tool for you or not. Before we dive in, if you're eager to try Nebius AI yourself, there's a completely free trial linked in the description below. No strings attached. Just click and get started today. Now, let's get into the meat of it. First off, Nebius AI is designed with simplicity in mind, which is a massive plus. This software is all about enhancing productivity and streamlining workflows for businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs alike. But what really sets it apart from the competition is its user interface. It's incredibly intuitive. You don't have to be a tech genius to navigate it. One of the main features of Nebius AI is its natural language processing. This is crucial if you're in marketing or content creation. Nebius AI can help generate high-quality content with minimal effort. Whether it's drafting blog posts, emails, or social media posts, the software uses advanced NLP to produce readable, engaging copy that feels natural. This can seriously cut down on content creation time, freeing you up to focus on other areas of your business. Another thing you need to know about Nebius AI is its automation capabilities. This tool is built to take over repetitive tasks that would usually drain your time. You can set up automated workflows for customer support, email marketing, and even some CRM tasks. This means you can spend more time building relationships and growing your business while Nebius handles the monotonous stuff. On top of that, Nebius AI offers analytics and reporting features that let you track performance across various platforms. It's perfect for those who need to understand their audience better and refine their strategies. With Nebius, you'll get detailed insights that help you make data-driven decisions and improve your marketing campaigns in real time. What's also impressive about Nebius AI is its integration with popular tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and Slack. Whether you use these tools for tracking metrics, communicating with your team, or managing your campaigns, Nebius fits right into your existing tech stack. You can access everything in one place, which makes your workflow seamless and more efficient. But what really takes Nebius to the next level is its customization. The software isn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. It allows you to tailor features to your specific needs. You can adjust its AI to better suit your niche, whether you're in e-commerce, SaaS, or any other industry. This personalized approach means Nebius is versatile enough to work for a wide variety of businesses. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. Nebius AI offers a free version that gives you access to some of the key features, and there are tiered paid plans for those who need more robust capabilities. If you're just starting out or have a small business, the free plan is more than enough to get started. And as your business grows, you can upgrade for more advanced features. So, if you're thinking about trying Nebius AI, definitely take advantage of the free trial and see for yourself how it can improve your workflow and productivity. As someone who's tested countless AI tools, I can confidently say that Nebius is one of the best just released AI softwares out there right now. I've also linked my personal recommendations of the best AI tools in the description below. After testing thousands of AI softwares, these are the ones I've found to truly make a difference. You can start your AI journey today with those too. Don't miss out on the future of AI technology. Take the first step now and start using Nebius AI completely free through the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.